My name is Rich, and in today's video lesson, I'll be teaching you angles that are formed between lines and triangles. Angles between lines and triangles. This is actually the first phase of this video lesson, and in the second phase, I'll be solving questions, examples. Right here, I'll be giving you formulas, principles, and rules that govern this particular subject in each subtopics. And in the next phase, we'll be talking about questions, solving, and all that. So let's start with the first one, angles in a straight line. Now, I have the straight line, for example, and I have two lines drawn at this point on the straight line. I have two angles formed, three angles, A, B, and C, for example. The rule states that the sum of angles on a straight line is equal to 180 degrees. Angles in a straight line equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. That's the first thing. The second one, angles at the point. I have a point, for example, and from this point I draw a line. From this same point, I take another line, and from this point, I have another straight line. So, let's say I have another one, for example. Now, mind you, this is not a straight line. It is not a straight line. So, if I form three angles here, four angles, A, B, C, and D, what the rule says that the angles formed at a point is equal to 360 degrees. That is to say, A plus B plus C plus D equal to what? 360 degrees. That is what the rule is talking about. Let's go to the next one. Vertically opposite angles. I have two lines that are cutting each other vertically opposite in a vertically opposite manner, and as a result, I have formed four angles in two pairs. That is, two angles that are opposite each other are equal. So this angle is facing this angle, these two angles are facing each other, and in the same vein, these two angles are facing each other. So if, for example, there is X and Y, there is P and Q, the rule states that vertically opposite angles are equal. That is to say, X is equal to Y, and P is equal to what? Q. So, vertically opposite angles are equal. That's what the rule is talking about. Now, let's continue with our discussion. So, when a transversal cuts a pair of parallel lines, the following angles are formed. First of all, what is a transversal? A transversal is any line or a line that cuts parallel or non-parallel lines. So, I have a pair of parallel lines here, for example, and I have formed some angles. Let's quickly label them. Let's call it P, Q, X, Y. Let's call this angle A, and let's call it B. Let this be C, and let this be what? D. So look at the angles that will be formed at the end. Let's see what angles will be formed and what relationship they have. Now, first of all, I'll form corresponding angles. Now, look at this diagram again. I have P, I have X, I have Q here, I have Y here. In the same vein, I have D, I have B, I have C and A. What the rule states is that corresponding angles are equal. So these angles that I just mentioned in pair are equal. So P is equal to X. In the same vein, Q is equal to what? Y. Also, D is equal to B, and C is equal to what? A. So corresponding angles are equal. So the next angle formed is alternate angle. Alternate angles. Now, the rule states that alternate angles are equal. alternate angles are equal. Now, look at C here, okay? We also call alternate angles Z angles. So I have something like this. I form an angle here. The angle is equal to the angle that is here. In as much as these two lines are parallel lines. So, look at this diagram and look at that. I have C here, I have X here. I have Q here, I have B here. So what we are saying now is that alternate angles are equal. Therefore, Q is equal to B. Q is equal to B. In the same vein, C is equal to what? X. C is equal to what? X. Okay? Another type of angle is formed. I'll call that angle co-interior. The rule states that co-interior angles are supplementary. Co-interior angles are supplementary. That is, angles that add up to 180 degrees. Now, if I have angles in the same interior, look at this angle, for example. Look at this figure. This part. Look at it. I have angles here, and these angles are in the same interior. So what it means is that the sum of these two angles is equal to 180. Now, I have Q and X here in the same interior. I have B and C in the same interior. It therefore means that Q plus X is equal to what? 180 degrees. In the same vein, C plus B is equal to 180 degrees. So these are the angles that are formed as far as this diagram is concerned. So let's talk a little on angles in the triangle. Angles in the triangle. Okay? Now, the triangle is a plane shape with three sides. The triangle is a plane shape with three sides. Okay, I'm going to draw two triangles on the board with two separate rules. Okay, that's our first triangle. Let's call this A, B, and C. And then I have another triangle here. Okay. Now, I have an extension. Here. Let's call this X, Y, and Z. Now, the sum of angles in the triangle is equal to 180 degrees. The sum of angles in the triangle equal to 180 degrees. So it therefore means that C plus A plus B will give us what? 180 degrees. That is what the rule is talking about. Now, I have another triangle here. I have two interior angles and I have one exterior angle. The rule says that the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the opposite interior angles. Now, I have my exterior angle Z, I have two interior angles X and Y. It therefore means that Z is equal to what? X plus Y. So, this is all I have for you today, and thank you very much for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video, but don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to tell your friends about this channel. Thank you very much for watching this video. I'll see you some other time.